What's up, you guys? It is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So this week is paycheck week and it's Thanksgiving week. Also, I got paid a day early. So when you're watching this will be on Saturday. But I'm actually filming this on Thanksgiving because when I woke up, I checked my bank account and there it was. I got paid a day extra. Or a day earlier. But anyways, before we get started, make sure you go and subscribe down below and hit that notification just so you will be notified every time I upload and I do these videos, as in my budgeting video, my stuffing videos, and my paying my bills. I do this every other week whenever it's payday. But anyways, hit that subscribe button and comment down below what did you do for Thanksgiving. I hosted Thanksgiving, my fiance and I did, and we had about 20 people over. Yes, I know that is not social distancing at all, but it is our family that we have been around for like weeks, so we are fine. But anyways, I hope everybody had a great day, and let's just get right into the video. So this is paycheck number 2 for November, which is also the last paycheck because we do not have a third paycheck. So I expected to get paid $1,350. I got paid $1,403. Now, side hustle, if you have not seen my video of my side hustle that I did, you would know that I got paid a great amount from the side hustle that my mom and I did. So I will link that video down below if you are interested in watching that. All right, next we're going to be doing bills. So bills. I just hate bills. All right, so actual amount that we are putting in is $230 for house. Car is $249. Loan is $50. Credit is... How much is credit? Credit will be $103, putting some extra in there. Internet will be $17. Insurance will be $60. Gym is nothing because we just paid it. And then phone is going to be $50. All right, so let's tally this up and see how much money we are going to be putting towards bills this week. So $230 plus $249 plus $50 plus $103 plus $17 plus $60 plus $50. So that is $759. So we're going to subtract that from $1,403 minus $759. So we have $644 to actually work with. Now before we flip to our cash envelopes to stuff them and everything, we are going to be doing the T or the check mark. So if you're new, T means that I transferred it to my savings account for whenever the next payday comes ahead. So I'll just have that on backup. And then check mark means that I already paid for it. So house, we paid for it. Car, we transferred. Loan, we have not paid yet. Credit, we paid. Internet paid. Insurance paid. Phone paid. And then gym, we didn't have to do that. So the only thing we had to transfer was $249 for car for next month in December. All right, so moving on to our cash envelopes. Food is going to be $100. Gas will be $60. Fund money is going to be $40. Cushion, we're only going to be doing $100. And then sinking funds, we're going to do that at the very end because we always stuff our sinking funds and we always count it because that's the funnest part of the whole video. All right, so let's go ahead and stuff our sinking fund. And get these receipts out the way. Now we do have some extra money that we're going to set aside. I don't know how this envelope or this envelope came out. Crazy. All right, so for groceries, we have $5, $10, and $11. $11 left over. And we are going to be putting $100. Now we did just get a deep freezer, so I'm going to kind of try to stock up because I will be going to nursing school. So we're not going to have that much money to spend on groceries, so we have to stock up. You know, plan our meal accordingly and everything. So it's going to be a challenge, but we can get into it. Gas is going to be $60, but we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and $7 left over. So we're going to get $60, 40, and 60. All right, and then fun money is going to get $40, 20, 30, and 40. All right, and that is it for our cash envelopes. Now, with this extra, we're actually going to half it, and we're going to put half in 2 of the sinking funds, and I'll let y'all know that in just a second. So we are going to flip over to our sinking funds. All right, so our sinking funds, we are going to be only stuffing 4 sinking funds. So with this $644, we're going to subtract $300 because that is $60 from, or $100 from food. 60 and 40 makes another $100 from gas and fun money, and then $100 from cushion. So that's $300. So we have $344 left, but we're actually only going to be stuffing $220. So we do have $124. Now that is just going to be sitting, it's not going to be technically be our cushion. I will explain that a little bit later. So $124 is actually going to be going towards savings, just in case, for emergency, for anything like that. I have it, and just to build that $1,000 up faster. All right, so college is going to be getting $100. Now, this $100, which I'm actually going to white out because we're going to put half of the remaining of what we had from our cash envelopes into this also. So the $100 actually came from my fiance, Jared, and he is helping me pay for college. Super, super sweet of him, and very grateful for that. So I'm just going to half this money. All right, so let's see, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So $9 is actually going to be going towards college. So we're actually going to have a total of $109. Wedding is actually not going to get anything, even though it, when you're watching this, I already went shopping. Have no idea right now if I'm going to be buying stuff for the wedding and everything, because I know there's going to be a ton of Black Friday deals, and I'm going to try to score as many stuff as possible, but who knows, you guys. Our Christmas is going to be getting $109. Medical will be getting $10. Car maintenance will get $10, and then everything else is actually going to be getting $0. I know, it's really sad to see those zeros, I know, but you gotta do what you gotta do, you guys. All right, first off is going to be college. To look how thick this is. This is from our side business and everything. So college is going to be getting $109. So 1, 2, and then 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. All right, so it's a lot of money to, all right. Let's see if we can count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 40, 60, 80, 6, 20, 40, 60, 80, 7, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 8. I hope that's right. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, and 70. So we have $70. One, oh no, so confused now. Because this is 70. So let's see. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. $970. That is crazy, you guys. Did I do that right? Because I could have sworn I did not have $970. Let's do this one more time before I make sure. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 20, 40, 60, 80. 1, 6, 20, 40, 60, 80. 2, 20, 40, 60, 80, 91. Okay, so this is $70 for sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So $870. Okay, $870. That was going to be a little mind blown if it was at $900. So $870. So let's see. I'm just going to do that. $870. That is great. Now, my total is pretty much $2,500 for college. That's for the first semester, which the first semester is the toughest semester and the most expensive semester, apparently. So, $2,500 minus $870 is going to be $1,630 is how much I still need to save. So, we gotta, kick it in high gear, you guys. All right, Christmas is going to be getting $100. Actually, it's in wedding, but we're going to skip to Christmas because we're not putting anything in wedding, but we will count it. Don't you worry. So we are going to be putting $109 also. Let's see. All right, let's see how much we have. 1, 2, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 3, 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, and 32. 32, so that's 1, 2, and 3. $332 is how much we have for Christmas. So let's see. Now, I believe I have 2 more paychecks or maybe 1 more paychecks before Christmas. So I'm pretty sure I can knock out a ton of these this week for Black Friday. And then finish everything else off later. All right, so let's move on to wedding. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91, 92, 93, and 94. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So $594, which is awesome. And I don't care if I spend all of this money during Black Friday, as long as I get what I need, whether it be like a down payment for a photographer, pay towards like the venue, get a DJ, anything like that, because I know they're going to have killer Black Friday deals. I have to get in on it. All right, medical, we are going to be putting $10 in. So that's 50, 60, 70, 80, and 81. So $81 for medical. Car maintenance is going to be getting $10 as well. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, and 43. So 143 is for car maintenance. Vacation is 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, and 39. $39. And then I just found out that my aunt will be coming down for a whole month. So I'm still going to be broke. So who knows how I'm going to like entertain her. I have to find some way to entertain her without spending a ton of money. Special occasion is $5, $10. Beauty is $0 because I did take Dobbs to the parlor or the groomers, whichever one you prefer to say. Renewals $20, $25, and $30. And then home has nothing because I used that on the deep freezer. Alright, so let's go ahead and add up everything that we have. 870 plus 594 plus 332 plus 81 plus 143 plus 39 plus 10 plus 30. So that is $2,099 is how much we have. Oh, I just want to put a dollar in there so it'll be equal to $2,100. But that is fine. We will live, you guys. Alright, guys, so that is it. That is my budgeting videos, my pay my bills video, my stuffing videos, my stuffing my cash envelopes, my sinking funds. I hope y'all enjoy this. Let me know what other videos you would like to see. The holiday season is upon us. So if you would like to see a Christmas budget for your friends, your family, whoever you want, let me know down below. And yeah, there may or may not be a Black Friday haul. Hopefully, maybe, who knows. But anyways, I hope y'all have a great rest of the week and weekend. And I will see you guys later. Bye.